MP kaseng Kongres Uma Vincent H. Pala hakasan terik yayong, ulaong bakaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, kalapan bor ya ka National People's Party NPP, bakan phla syaki paidbah ka jela baki day kaju. Ka BJP kalapan bor ya ki bakin phla syaki paidbah ka Meghalaya. Ka BJP ka kwa bantip ya ka jingsngo, bat ya ka bor jang ki paidbah nong syong ka Meghalaya, ong uba pala syakilat patai kubor, hadin ke jingalap election ha yang musiang Jawai West Giant Hills. Ya kani upala ula kedo halor ke jingkren badang shen jong umentri rangba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma, ubala ong baladaki paidbah kidang kwa ya umentri rangba du Narendra Modi, ba unwan pai ha kebor, kidai ban vote ya ke NPP. Upala ula ong bakani ke jingkren jong UCM, kalapan pau syai kedar, ya kata ke jingade ke BJP bat ke NPP.
Whatever the Chief Minister has said is people already understood it much before. So decently he exposed him. In the last election, they said that there's no link between the NPP and the BJP. Today they are exposed. Kong Amperin already said right from the beginning, she is there to coordinate between the people of Meghalaya and Delhi through the BJP. That means now they have been exposed. Before they tried to hide it behind the curtain, but today they have been exposed. I think the BJP compelled them to confess to the people of Meghalaya. The BJP wants to know what is the moods of the people, what is the strength of the people of Meghalaya. Now it's our turn to show our strength, it's our turn to show our unity amongst us. I think that is very important. Pi pendapat pi hakani kauman kat ni ke front to ke komen NDA, kau hikmat. Mereka design the den, kawan-kawan kebalik ke government NDA kau ini, dia yo ke design the den zaman ke BJP. Dia yo kamu orang ni ke BJP divide ke apa Manipur seperti Kimite ni Kuki. Dah sedang kau divide hani le divide ke seperti Kasi bi karo. Tersuki kat ni divide ke seperti Kicantia bi Kasi. Tapi ite dah yo kurumu penduk ye ke BDM. Kat kam ke jing temu yang kasik sedul to upen ne ye BDM, upen bahai ye BDM, hijau por yo protect ye ke BDM. Tekan de kawan kat ni untuk kasih karo na dudus council de BM. Kasih karo jantia na do ke council. Kakten ke telek. De kawan kat ni hak state anthem. Yo kromo pendo ye kten jantia. Iwa ikam iwa kian re ke sign yang ke division hapli ke jajbru yang yo M ke jing yasnya per. Ke jing per yo M ke jing per hapli ke jajbru hapli ke niam ke biterter. Keni to ke division, keni to ke idea, ke divisive idea yang ke BJP through gini bro. Kat ini ada UP kawan-kawan kau mut ke BJP MKam MKam ki lamba ki ni ki nong sensar yang iko emani state. I think Charles already stated that money which comes from Giant Hills, money which comes from Castles, money which comes from the state of Meghalaya is being transported. Whatever comes is only a small amount. I've seen the video, I've seen what they said in the TV, but I think they're trying to deny that this is not their money. But this is an open secret. It's a fact that whatever they looted from the people from coal, they looted from people who are from Supari, they looted people from limestone, they have looted the people from charcoal, they have looted people from brooms business, they looted people from chickens, from everywhere, now being exported. So these are all at the cost of our people. These are all with the sweats of our people from Meghalaya. I think the UDP themselves, I think now many of them are supporting me. So I don't want to say much because the leaders of the UDP may say whatever they say. The leaders of the BJP or NPP may say whatever they say. But the supporters, the citizens of this state now realize that Congress is the best. So they may say whatever they say. Because most of our leaders also, we don't have an ethics, we don't have that sense of responsibility. They might say whatever they say, but the voters will be with me this time. Voters will be with the Congress. Thank you. Like I said, election is always tough. Every elections become tougher and tougher day by day because we cannot take people for granted, and we cannot guarantee that we win or lose in any election. But I find that as we move further nearer to the election, people understand more, and we get more support. Only we have a problem now because many of our leaders has been taken by different parties. We have less worker on the ground. But I've seen the church leaders came forward and the villagers came forward and I'm very happy to see that even the village heads came forward because they understand politics more than me as a candidate. So they start uniting the people, make the people understand. So I'm very confident that again Congress, not me, but I think the Congress will come back to power. It's like a man, if we say in Jawai, you know, you eat from the same plate, and when you are enough, and then you know, you throw on the same plate. In Jawai we carry bam na kejuk ke peliang, aj kejuk ke peliang. So most of these candidates are like that. They were with us, you know, and then they enjoyed all the works, all the benefits from the Congress. The Congress is only a platform, but once it's at a certain level, and then they try to destroy their own image. So whatever he said, I think it reflects his own reputation. Pila danga le neu no wa krek kam la kajing sket miu krek do kam ba kwa kibru le ne do ejing am kam yang kibru ta ha kajing man MP yang di khatsan snem nga try ha chwa man MP Meghalaya tang airport lam yo ka kan ni de yo airport ko e joi por ha chwa man MP na pai pi ki chilong bypass ki jwai bypass ki surok na do na chilong chokohati na do na chilong nongstoin chado cha Garo Hills na pai pi na do na nongstoin charamrai na nongstoin cha kamong ba charles ni cha do charani kor o keleng de perchang ole menchwa ka high court Assam che Assam kan ni de high court ka yong i menchwa in ME ka medical college in ME ka engineering college re po jing kre yang ka congress wat ka ni krims ka wato yang ka central university le central institution le ganit le de yewan ra po Meghalaya de wan ra i reservation kam kilan custom sessions mendapat dia dauki di pause nem de mg tu andre po ka jing man nga de yu pensna de yu pen bhai ki kata dang mi muri pen lai swa bon kilan custom sessions ke training ki kena yo kam yo jam ke jing yang ki pru i em po not is ha po ka jing man mp yo nga kemo wa hiporo wan nokong bon ki jing ki pru i po not is andre hadeno wana de lonsi ko wi ka campaign kamtam wa yu penwan ya ke best berwa committee kat ni ki hajar ki kena not east ko yo kam Delhi ko yo kam keleng jor ki India ni baile wan rai ya ki CISF le ni ki army le ni ki Delhi police wan ki siapa Meghalaya keleng ki nongba yang ke Meghalaya hasulong hanong stoin hatura wan interview ki wan ki recruitment tagayo kam ko yo jam ke pure ke puti kita ke wa ngada perchang ole chwa man MP bon duna ba ki college re jing kre lang iwi kiniam jing kre lang ki snong de perchang develop perchang pemi bon ki college ki science college ne ki bit one ki normal college te ha ka jing sekiat ngala so tho miu kre hado ka mahun ki ite daw kerpat ki bru jet yang ki ngayo nang kre susu te ko kersa keno ini time lagi ka te jing sekiat